Welcome to Algodecathlon! Day 1, part 4. I have a special guest, Sean. Yeah, he is our co-host. So yeah, let's continue. Oh god, it's very laggy because I have five slides up at the same time. Hold on. Hopefully that made it better. Congratulations, Blue, you have 4 points. Yeah. Oh, poor Navy. This is so laggy right now. I'll have to delete that. Just look at my mouth go like laggy, 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 laggy. I may have to unscreen share, then you'll have to watch the rest of the video, Sean. So, yeah, I'll unscreen share, and then I'll be back. I'm pretty sure that screen sharing 2 things made it laggy. So, yeah. Alright, Navy, you get 3 points. Well, Sean, you can just hear the stuff going on. So, Brown and Lime, one of you will be eliminated. Both of them failed challenges, and yeah, so I wouldn't be surprised if either one of them get eliminated. Hey, Brown, do you have any words about being in the bottom 2? Well, you're in the first bowl, so yeah, you may be eliminated. Actually, I'll drag you out of the first bowl. There you go. Excuse me. That was untense. That was unofficial. I think that was gonna be in the video. Okay. Come on, you 2 colors. Don't be shy. I swear, if I get eliminated, a lot of fans are gonna be mad. And of course, you're gonna be mad if Magenta gets eliminated. Well, that's your 10.5 and here goes soon. So yeah. Oh my god, whatever. And come on, Limer Brown. About 20 bazillion years later, no one has made it, and we're already 10 minutes, well, almost 10 minutes until the episode will have to end. At least 10 minutes. If none of you make it in 10 minutes, then I don't know what will happen. Because all of you guys wasted at least, over 20 minutes, basically. So yeah, if no one makes it and there's more minutes, then I'm just gonna put both of you in the elimination zone, and Sean will have to vote. Cause he's in this call, so Brown, stop going into the first bowl. Brown, you need to stop getting yourself stuck in situations, or otherwise you're gonna be eliminated. Just like how Orange did in Algodecathlon Season 1. And just like how Olive did in Season 2. Don't offend him. Yeah, don't offend me either. I swear, if I be eliminated... Well, I swear, if I be eliminated, aka me, Lime, the best color in the whole entire world... Huh? Cool. Anyways, continue. Because I'm still recording. Lime, what are you doing with your life? Get a job. Brown, what are you doing in the ball? Boy. Get smacked down, boy. Brown, don't try and go. You two are mistakes of this show. Hey! Lime, why are you even in this show? Because you put me in it? Oh, I guess you're right about that one. Brown, what are you doing? Get your... You two are about contestants. That was not cool. Brown, Lime, I swear, if no one makes it after whenever it hits a long time, then I swear Sean's gonna pick you on who should be eliminated. Just go. Just go. Hurry up. Oh, Lime. I hate to say it to ya, but... Well... Someone made it. No, we don't care about ads. I have to watch this whole entire 15-second video to just get this ad done. Alright, I'm gonna make the eliminated pose. Alright, now we're recording again. Sorry, Lime, but you're the first one eliminated. Any final words? Well, I just want to say I'm hurt, and I felt like I should have lasted longer in this competition than I didn't. Good luck, contestants. Bye. By the way, here's the picture for day 1, so yeet. So we're gonna change that for day 2. Oh yeah, you ain't saying it, Sean. Cause, yeah. Anyways, bye.